Hey, buddy, Thomas here. And for once, I actually have a black walnut log that's not really unique. It's literally as straight as they come. I mean, other than the fact that I did have a little rotten section here that I had to cut off and everything. But as you can see, the pith, pretty close to center on that side. Length on this, I think, is about 9 foot or so. And the pith on this side, it doesn't get much more, centered than that. We're not talking anything real big. I don't have my tape on me. I thought I did. But we're just going to cut out some slabs and maybe a mantle or two. I've got to orientate the log in such a way to get rid of this. I don't like this section right here because it does have a break. This is a tree that fell down, I think, during a storm or something, and it has a few broken sections. So I'll turn the log about 20 degrees or so. That'll get rid of some of the split on that end down there as well. So standard black walnut log. And actually, you know what, I'm probably going to turn the log a little more than 20 degrees because I want to maximize the width right here. So we'll go ahead and turn that, and stay tuned. Here we go. Try a slightly different angle. Hopefully my son on the four-wheeler and the dog barking won't be too much, but you'll get to see a chain turner here in action as we rotate this log. My dad's in town. I was throwing a piece of black walnut scrap onto the tractor from a distance. So, yes, you probably saw my idler blade guide on the idle side and everything. It was not turning that much, but I'm not too worried about that. The saw's cut like a dream right now. I didn't want to adjust it. I will be adjusting it soon. So we're going to turn this over. So I have a flat edge to work off of. I'll take a few cuts on this side, probably get somewhere in this region right here, and we'll see what she yields. Beautiful color of this wood. that turned out to be pretty nice. What you see is pocket here. Wow, this is real pretty. Oh man, hopefully I didn't burn him. This little skink. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Yep, that's not good. Sorry, bud. That happens sometimes, unfortunately. Oh, it's a lizard. That'll be for the chicken or something. Unfortunately, that happens. I hate that. I do have a rotten spot here. Yeah, that's too bad. Yeah, what I might do, I might cut this section off, but it's full of that's dirt. Look at this. That's awesome. Yeah. I'm probably going to cut back with a chainsaw and cut right here. Get rid of this section which has got the dirt, debris, and possibly more critters in there. Alright, let me get the chainsaw on that. Alright folks, stand by. Get the chainsaw, cut this off. Alright folks, we're going to go ahead and cut this off. I also did find the image I'm going to use for the intro of the video. That's pretty much it right there. We did throw some water on here. Oops, sorry. So you can see these colors. That's pretty amazing right there. Pretty amazing. I like how it has the green and some other stuff with it. Let's go ahead and throw this right here. Now, I've got a customer who's wanting a 7-foot black walnut mantle. 7 foot's about right here. I'm gonna leave myself a little bit of room. Cut about right here. When that falls, it shouldn't hit anything. Yep, that worked out pretty well. Nothing like the smell of chainsaw and black walnut in the morning. Alright, so we still have a little bit of wood here that has the checking from where it broke when it fell during the storm and everything. I don't think it's enough to hurt anything. I like this board a whole lot. I still have room on the pith. I'm gonna do a 2-inch cut. So I'm gonna put the blade at the top here, go 2 inches down, do a 2-inch cut. That'll yield, so 2 inches down. So say I'm at 9 inches, we'll come down to like just under 7 inches. That'll keep me just a little bit above the pith, so I get a mantle on it there. I'll turn around the other side, do a 2-inch cut on the other side because we're looking for about a 5-inch thick mantle, so that should be fine. In fact, I might only do 1 3/4 inches on the other side. So I'm gonna throw a hyperlapse, and then we'll go ahead and see what this yields. Here we go. All right, folks, very happy with this turned out. Beautiful colors in there, beautiful colors in this. I'm about to call up the customer and say, hey, I think I found the log you want. I just cut it today. But how about this? Now, what I did, you never want to put black walnut on bare metal. As you can see, I have this wood beneath here. If you don't, you'll get some really bad bluing in the wood. It comes right off after sanding. but the tannic acids inside of black walnut, especially just like oak, are very, very quick to react with metal. Look at that though, isn't that beautiful? The mantle, get my tape measure out. It's going to be, I don't know if I can get it one-handed. Having a hard time here. There we go. All right, so we are sitting about 9 inches to the top of the face there. If you go out a little bit further to where it actually stops, it's about 10 inches. Not too shabby. Overall length, oh, I've already measured it, 7 foot. This piece right here, that's going to be about 13 inches. I can't do the tape measure out one hand anymore. But take a look at the grain in this. That's pretty neat. I like that a lot. Beautiful colors again. I think this is going to be the mantelpiece. Liking the way this is looking. And then this piece right here, I've got big plans for that too. I'm going to turn that into a behind the sofa table. It's perfect. 7 foot long, just over 7 foot long. It's going to work out very, very well. So, short little video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe. Channel's always growing, and I do appreciate it. Everything that happens here on the channel is, you know, unique, because you never know what's going to happen. Today, we were cutting the pine job over there. We cut a giant oak job. You'll see I did turning a 2 or 3 big red oak logs into some beautiful wood for a tabletop. Again, we cut all the pine stuff, and then we said, let's go and throw on a black walnut log. So, never a dull moment here on the farm, and we are most definitely looking forward to moving up to Wisconsin next summer. All right, we'll see you around. Thanks.